Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Yeah, first of all, let me tell you whatever language you will have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you in the tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings form. For that, just scroll down here and then you will find you always at the corner the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point General Management. Here it is. It has a gray icon with some white stuff to adjust in it. Now you will need the first point, language. And here we are. Now there are two ways. No? In case if you're having here this list and also in case if your language is part of that list, you can choose it now. Maybe Deutsch, so German, so this is my language here. Go then on the blue button to apply and now the phone is in German. No? Okay, let me show you now what to do if your language is not part of that list. Let me turn it back first into English here. Okay, let me show you now what to do if your language is not part of that list. You need to go here on the green plus symbol to add a language. And now you can choose from many languages. Yeah, maybe let's keep going on here in English to follow the video better. And the second step, also nice, you can choose a local dialect. Well, let's take the dialect here from the Philippines. Greetings, by the way. Okay. Now you need to choose the most white one that you can immediately set it up as default. And now we are having English with the dialect of the Philippines here on that phone. Yeah, pretty easy as you can see. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe next time. Ciao.